Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to smooth skin in Photoshop. But first, make sure your foreground color is set to white and your background color is set to black. Next, duplicate your main image layer. Then go to Image, Adjustments, then choose Invert. Next, set your layer properties to Vivid Light. After that, go to Filter, Other, then select High Pass. Set the radius to 20 pixels. Then click OK. Next, select Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Then set the radius to 2 pixels. Next, add a layer mask. Then in the Layer Mask properties, select Invert. Now, using your brush tool, brush on those parts that you want to smoothen. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.